Gregor, yeah, Mama Kwaba, the bar, SOMPA TV, SOMPA FM, Kumasi. I think that this is not the first time more back Kumasi.
There been your first time.
And your first time.
5-6 times.
5-6 times. Okay. But it's the first time on a Kumasi station interview. All right. So you're more Kwaba beyond the bar. Omo muti any omo share across Ghana. Internet omo share. So they will monitor beyond Ghana. 5FM Grejon Chain Wine Scott Meba also. But who is Grejon?
Grejon Che me a striker.
Okay.
Manya 27.
Okay.
Je suis Villiers-le-Bel au Paris, en France. Mais même papa, mon frère a commencé.
Ok.
Maman fait tafo, mon papa fait soigner.
Ok. Until Ghana ni banka sa. Ba yawo wa.
Yawo me France.
Yawo France. Ehwan watna edia esa. 5FM footballing career. Me who start MB. Is it true?
Me started au Reims. Stade de Reims.
Okay.
Me a mes classes mate ho. Ya ninga ho.
Okay.
Me ba ho ada 20 15 under 15. Me started football ho.
Started ho. Okay, interesting. Scott, welcome.
Welcome.
Oh, can English? Are you able to speak English or you prefer French?
French.
French. Okay. So in that vein, remember Steven Swaba. So Steven will translate English to French for you, and then when you give us an answer in French, he will also do a translation from the French to the English, so we get to communicate well. Right. Oh, you want to be bold? Okay. Moma Baba a replica of the Williams brothers. Yehu Nico, Yehu Inyaki, Yehu Grejon, Yehu Scott. How is it like? Two brothers in one family playing football. Be a person him. How is it like?
Maybe ni problem ni nyake to. The same thing. Okosro, mekosro, mekwa kochinoa, akosro, mikosro, obechimi akosro. The same thing. Any problem?
How are you able to coach each other? Moya than a mocheche mo. Or no sue free or na because only a Beckham.
No Beckham.
Now yeah then. Grejon. It's just that.
We are paying. Be a mintimin can
Can the French obéir moi?
Peut-être il me suit, il prend exemple. Oui. Donc c'est bien pour lui, parce qu'il me voit à la télé dans la première division, donc c'est mieux.
Est-ce que vous avez compris?
Oui, j'ai compris. D'accord.
Oui, il a compris.
And Stephen, what's he saying?
Il dit.
What did he say?
He said he's in the Premier League division and he feels fine playing there.
Okay.
Yes.
And then what does he look up to concerning his brother's own career?
Concernant la carrière de votre frère, comment est-ce que vous avez vous rendez de ça?
No problem.
No.
SOMPA Sports.
Même Michel Mignon.
Okay.
Mi aide non parce mi Nino Keto.
Okay.
Michel ne games ni na Saje woye mi mpe mbeka che no we woye enye. Eba man awarding.
Okay.
You know the same thing. We den ni me. C'est minchi min comme anim. Ubeka di se u body den.
Okay.
Ensure jewo park outside.
Okay.
Shall park in kwa.
Okay.
Body den ni nani beba.
Okay. So who tier football free in honey, he gives you advice, right? And then you pick certain lessons from his own career as to whatever is happening. Then he also offers counsel concerning what you should do, what you shouldn't do, and always be focused on the pitch, right? Good. Good, young bro. So the season under review, 10 goals for assist in 37 French Ligue 1 matches, right? How was it like? I think it was your maiden season in the French top flight from Servette to Clermont.
Yeah, good season. Mi ba France, mi sa ba France. Chere metimia ya dio France League. Ese mi train ya femme national team. Actually mo obia metimia bo ama Ghana.
Okay. What share 2 against Lyonnais? What share back against Paris Saint-Germain? In between time, what else we share Stade Reims 1 goal or saying. Fire FM, the 10 goals you scored, then your best goal, which is for the season under review?
Make a PSG Diano.
PSG Diano.
Parce que me say more chance. Before game no. It's my last chance. Me go share. We need to.
Okay.
Better for team no.
Oh yeah, striker bang. Your strikers on me a target man. They hold that play. Your strikers on me are all involved in play. Bibia or Moyebi. Oh, striker bang now. Oh yeah.
Me striker. Me a target. Me call my name. Me ba be ball no. Organization for game no. Yeah, bibia. Any problem any ball no.
Sir, me bisa say what is your biggest weapon and our biggest asset? Your boy is Mbappe. Mbappe is speed. Oh dear.
Giroud. Olivier Giroud.
Giroud. So Giroud, yeah, model.
Yeah.
Type
Lukaku, Giroud.
Okay.
Power, strong striker. Your boxing move, your train ball. Yeah, sure.
SOMPA Sports.
Okay. Scott, oh there then, Beckham and now why? The name says it, Ada.
Me modern Ronaldo.
Petit de joueurs qui ont commenté.
Me fast. Me call ball fast. Me strong kaka.
Okay.
Otumika rough.
Sir.
Me too me kapa.
So then he has speed.
Yes, speed.
Then I call Ronaldo no.
Because me bet my ball in chain, bet my ball striker. Me ball hold position in front. Okay.
Okay. Great on my member so what can national team no wasem nanki enyanko so ba one say do allude na a ball club back on or no ball national team no onya ball World Cup no. So during that period before so be World Cup and even after the World Cup and come over now in a D and then there no what catch concerning your national team no?
Or before World Cup no we say me more games no the ding
okay.
Me started maybe framing after the game World Cup no we say share more goals who share more goals say me trying pitch in the back for me.
There was a Black Stars assistant coach na or be share money PSG game no minim unya the opportunity in any engagement
yeah kasaka kra we say me serious or pitching so dia me come on me sa shego bebre
okay
opportunity beba me trying.
All right. So from the AC concerning last season and then this particular season, say a throw of Black Stars in him and now China whether today or tomorrow. Then now they become Black Stars team now CCA. What do you think you will add to the current Black Stars setup?
Maybe goals. And maybe be different for striker or
okay. The new Prince of Goals are Obana.
Maybe a
Grejon Che. Obeche, yeah. Okay. Scott, my member also. The season under review. Obo for Bologna. And I can say. You can Boulogne. Okay. So what is the future like for you per what you were able to do last season? No? What are you expecting in the upcoming campaign? Are you looking for another a level up in the football pyramid of France?
Oui, il demande ce que vous espérez. Maintenant, la saison est en révision. Maintenant, on vous demande à savoir ce que vous espérez. Vous voulez faire mieux par rapport à ce que vous avez fait premièrement, ou bien comment est-ce que vous avez vu la saison qui vient?
But même PC me come anim because là me bo for division in France. PC me sa koso because me bo before me bo so when me PC me sa yan. Il y a problème là me management c'est ba me happy. Me try là me management quoi.
Would you love to link up with Unia Gresham or Clermont?
Et demain, si vous voulez coopérer avec votre frère à Clermont.
C'est beau de ce club ben et concurrente. Concurrente in English.
Comment?
Concurrence.
Vous voulez jouer?
Si on joue dans la même équipe.
They want to play in the same club.
Edema one club.
Yeah, about the same. Reims.
Yeah, okay.
The same team of second division.
Yeah. Rams B.
Yeah, Rams B.
Okay.
And then Rams A.
Nisusa. So you would love to play with him or Clermont. But what if so no so when your offers be because double figures in a top flight competition, I can top 5 European leagues now to score double figures. It means that there will certainly be other clubs or more. Anna, has there been any approach?
C'est me or Clermont. Big club from me share chance no. Me ko bo.
SOMPA Sports.
More games. C'est comme ça Matimia bo Yatimia from our national team.
Okay. But the mercato is open. You be market in that. Has there been any calls when you're from wage and say, oh, there has been Obia register interest, Obia show so nyawo pe Bibia Sanko so. Has it been a quiet period for you?
Bibia Sanko so.
I know you're okay with that.
Okay.
Unya one Clermont na be to aso sa.
My contract na 25.
25.
Yeah.
Okay. How soon do you expect to be part of Ghana? You're set up. No, you're prepared for AFCON 2024. Nyankopon Yadama next year. Unya yankende yanka o kan Blasters team now.
Quand même pese ache pese me boma Blasters. Che. Inya opportunity maybe a beba after me trying.
Oh, train. You're waiting for their call. A buyer, or bag will be ready.
Are you ready? The booth now you're ready.
Well, you're very free football doesn't need easy conversation. Okay. Let's come to like normal stuff. On a normal day, on share football jersey, on share boot. On a normal day, what is the routine like for you? Interest? Anyom, opinion?
Mi penyom, mi chefier. And then my family, Chile, Yesre.
Mochile pa.
Sa. Unya panyo ha.
Where ni jelo kwa. Then it means opinion.
Opinion.
Yanka Ghana nyom kakra. O interest here the any day.
Mi tie for more Kumerika nyom.
Kumerika.
Black Sheriff. Quincy Arthur.
Koziata, okay.
Shatawale.
Shata.
Bisa. Après mes papa a été mené Lumba.
SOMPA Lumba. It means mama ne that our mama Ghana name free umu. They always ensure that there will certainly be something Ghanaian in you. And you Lumba line back. What's your favorite Lumba song?
Bitimi Kanisa.
Bitimi Kanisa. And you know the of any of the songs, your favorite artist, and you what's your favorite song?
Actually, Black Sheriff, Second Sermon.
And you'll bet me a guy, Anna. Oh, no, there we go, your mic a crack. Maybe have a cost code, so my my Black Sheriff there 2 lines to be. And I think that Black Sheriff Nangasa would love to hear an international player sing his song, and I think this will also go viral. Or Tia, there will certainly be a response. Give us 2 lines from Black Sheriff. And I am Mama. Okay, one more here, Black Sheriff, Second Sermon. No, now you're 5. Scott, also there.
Me mi che nyom no me we fie wan to nyom we no akwa kokontiba no
awako kontiba
me madanya pontine ni
my favorite song.
Interesting. But that's quite an old song. I got close to 20 years if my memory serves me right.
My favorite song me mama now now the two FC
or the two of ye nti account trim nti wo betime dey arrive me yankwe aboa konkonchiba
obenya yekesie na wadana poncheni.
Interesting. So when you know. Okay, so second so grade your oya dey obeto. Anyum na dey obeto dear kwe. That is Black Sheriff.
Yeah.
What is the correlation between a footballer and a musician? There na musu free or why? Because there seems to be some kind of affinity. More performance and pan. Move follow you mingle with them. The correlation here there.
Omo kan ye ntimi kan ye bobol. Omo muchro.
Okay.
Omo kan real life. Joma ni difficulty joma nya. Ye bi mi fi Europe me papa mo free Africa.
Okay.
Any difficulty. So
then it means to some extent footballers won't share any voice.
It be more voice.
No, like moon to me kasa to say the me better na be am kasa. So maybe I can represent certain things that affect my life through some way. May advocacy or activism, may namiko. But all the end you have to just play. And it's quite difficult for you to come out because you fear backlash. So to some extent, more relating more to or more based on what they're able to convey on your behalf.
Say you can't be broswa. I bet me I Abba news so I am more you can't say
scandal. So the life of a footballer is quite difficult then.
Very difficult.
So
you chose life way. Okay, any problem?
Interesting. But you're free and you're not yanko. Abwako kontiba leto no. Ana Black Sheriff. So yanko ediane. Ofi asanti de ende fufu.
Fufu jollof. Banku. Jewo. Hey.
Quite some nice revelations. Jewo. So which one is your favorite? Meme de banku. Oh, there.
SOMPA Sports.
Fufu. And then kwine bang.
Abenkwine.
Wow.
Penam rough.
And I may.
Nanchinam. And Preko.
Scott, also there.
Me eto.
No, okay, only the one day. But all the alien and Pelly and your mouth penal, a chair, and the alien a chair, a day. Scott, why?
Jamie Mammy with the mammy. Maybe if you share my young 14 years.
Okay.
Manchima, who knows Jabaso. Because me call center formation, okay. Football. Na mi G Europe journey. A journey ko anje mbechi maka no eje ache. Enyom the same thing.
Ton udi a chewa ho pa. So ya we. Udi a common time though.
There
and udi a no ani fio na. Na ma try go better. Go be. Oh. Mo introduce mo to go be. Na they don't understand. Gary and beans. Mon try. Okay. Make sure say before you leave Ghana, you try Gary and beans.
Okay.
Nemaye a home report, you know.
Okay.
Why? Maybe you change most of your favorite foods.
Okay.
And now why here to crowd which I did. And I never imagine. Oh, I'm saying here. So yeah, we want to look at two brothers aiming to make the national team for the Black Stars. Grejon Diano looks like he's quite near. Scott, who draw inspiration free on the anymore now?
Because my channel games. Me you bought the same thing.
Okay.
But similar. We play. We're strong. Me so be me strong.
SOMPA Sports.
You bought front of the position.
Okay.
Experience niba because mission in the games.
No? Okay. So who is more closer to Mama?
Il demande qui est très proche de votre mère.
You. And now yeah, daddy's boy.
Yeah. Daddy name me sister qui toi.
So you and your sister and now mope dada.
Yeah.
Now Scott there, Mama. Tina opet 20. Habwa konko tiban. Interesting one. So, mommy and daddy, I hope so much. Are they watching? So say something to her for being able to raise you to this level. Any baby I could do or carry a show appreciation to your mom.
Naniaji.
SOMPA Sports.
Only about TV so. Obama first division. Aka national team in my party of here.
Father's Day sober.
Father's Day
this Sunday, yeah. What's that message you convey to you, Daddy? What's your father's name?
Charles.
Charles Kyei.
Kyei.
Okay, so speak to Mr. Charles Kyei. Say something to him. Father's Day. Prepare your own Father's Day speech.
Daddy, Obaba national team. Tobo. Time
Baba. Okay, Scott.
Mr. Tobo. Metam ni beba. Metam ni beba.
Okay, interesting one. Enche, you be the FA Cup of Hong Kong, the grand finale, no air basso. Will you be in town on Sunday? Say you'll be here. So personally, I will invite you to the FA Cup final.
SOMPA Sports.
King Faisal versus Dreams FC. They are two of our best clubs, and the FA Cup. I don't know the Coupe de France. It are surprises, yes, upsets, and we have more of that in Ghana's FA Cup. So I am personally inviting you. So this is your ticket. And then Scott also again. So please make it to the FA Cup final. Let's meet and then let's enjoy Ghana's beautiful game. It's unfortunate it's a time I'm mobile near a league, but enjoy the FA Cup.
Okay.
And you just attest to the fact, say it is one of the best domestic cup competitions across the world.
Kotoko Mubobi.
Kotoko, frame. They've been kicked out.
Wait.
This is King Faisal. They are also in Kumasi.
Okay.
Yeah. And then Dreams FC. They are based in Accra.
Okay.
Yep. So they will be facing each other. So we are personally inviting you. The rest of the tickets will be given to your contingent so that you come together.
Okay.
So please don't miss it.
Yeah.
And thank you very much. This is a personal thing I want to say.
SOMPA Sports.
The way I was born,
no, Papa.
Over Pana support Kotoko. Okay.
Ball Kotoko. Sa
Football.
football movie.
Oh, really?
Oh, wow.
Oh, you're more generous.
Oh, okay. That I wouldn't near my baby for Kotoko. I don't need to be so very local league in Airborne. Why are Ghana league in the morning? Sa match, mad ben.
Kotoko ne.
Has.
No, there'll be no friends. Us.
House of Folk. Oshe Nubi. Wow. Interesting. So, story by now, Papa, catch you about Kotoko.
Oh no, about more position.
About more position.
Yeah.
Sir.
If you're about winger, about keeper.
Hey, and over fire there. Oh wow. Then make Daddy proud. But personally, you're born Paya. Sunday, Obaswa, you get the opportunity to meet the FA president.
Okay.
Where's Shiano? Okay. Sunday is the best opportunity to meet him.
Okay.
So that you get to interact. He loves footballers as well. Until Ushia. Because I don't know. Blasters why? And I'm praying, say, Bibia, because I did back when footballers carry a injury. So you avoid injuries so that Obenya a very consistent playing period. Then it will help your case. So Obenya national team we will pray for you. Why? So thank you very much for honoring our invitation. Scott.
Yeah.
Free kicks no nimbo na Beckham.
Na mi nimbo.
But he said your own bio.
David, because me Gino any free kick nimbo.
Okay. All right. So we are also praying for you that everything will go on well.
Thank you.
Stephen, tell him in French now.
Ce qu'il dit, ils sont en train de prier pour vous, pour que vous avancez dans votre carrière, pour le meilleur avenir. Donc, ils vous souhaitent une bonne chance dans votre carrière. Merci.
Je le remercie.
Right. So Scott and then Grayson, thank you once again. Meaning, what message will you leave with our viewers, our audience? Then I'm over catch over social media. So or Twitter again.
No, I'm on Instagram.
Instagram on Into Twitter. Into Instagram near there.
GKEI. 29.
GK29.
Yeah.
And I score to the
Beckham point 29.
Beckham.29. Why 29?
My sister. Almost 29 April.
So you guys are very family oriented.
Yeah.
Keep it up. All the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.